Hi, Seven Continents International Film Festival 2025. I'm Smita Nooreen Khan, an independent filmmaker of a short film Break or Make. First of all, I would like to thank Seven Continents International Film Festival 2025, all jury members, and Mini Box Office for shortlisting my film Break or Make. It's really motivational and inspirational for me to keep working hard creatively and keep contributing in the entertainment industry. Thank you so much. I'm really honored. Break or Make is a story about one's mind power and the will to tame it in a right direction to make the life meaningful. It's easy to get carried away in mind's negative thoughts, anxiety, overthinking, but that's the real test, how we break our own barriers to make our own magic. I was thinking for the script that what theme I should take to present a short film. Many times I got demotivated because so many thoughts were coming in my mind to prepare one short film. And then suddenly that confusion got cleared with one simple thought that it's our own thought process that break or make our lives. So I felt why not make a film based on the mind power, highlighting that we should not be slave of our mind, rather we become a master of it. Since I was handling everything script, direction, acting, camera, editing, the main issue that came in the beginning was how to shoot myself, especially when I am moving. I researched to overcome this problem and came to know about gimbal that can track you based on hand gesture. That really helped me in shooting myself in the scenes where I was in motion. I also used tripod to shoot close-ups to get cinematic shot. I had to drag it slowly close to me while acting at the same time. Making film alone has both plus and minus points. Minus points in the sense that teamwork can really help in doing different tasks instead of doing everything alone. And during that journey, we can also learn from each other. Plus point in the sense that I got the whole essence of filmmaking from pre-production to post-production. I came to know what an actor has to go through if one scene has to be shot multiple times. As a director, frames and setups needs to be clear in mind in order to avoid blunder and errors. And as an editor, maintaining the film quality by bringing clips and soundtracks in an appropriate way is very important. Financially also, I had to go through different gadgets that can solve my purpose, and based on deep research, I shortlisted Insta360 Flow and two types of Gorilla tripod. This journey helped me to understand how important it is to be clear what we want to show to our audience and how to show it without overspending. Apart from the self-shooting, voice recording was also something challenging to get good quality noise-free voice. I had to check the timings when outside sounds were minimal, and then I used to record my dialogues and shoot. Luckily, the way I imagined while writing the script, it came on screen the same way. In fact, I was surprised that the way I imagined, I was able to meet those requirements. And I'm glad that I implemented this whole filmmaking process by my own because it taught me so many lessons that I have to keep in mind while working with the team and other human resources in future. I think my film Break or Make is for every age group because many times our thought or approach becomes our biggest enemy. Instead of blaming others for our failure, it's important to realize that are we doing right with ourselves? Is our mind giving us constructive thoughts or it's turning us into victim? I think my film can act as a healer to motivate that every individual who gets trapped in their mind and as a friend to those who keep working hard to tame their mind. The title of my film Break or Make will generate curiosity in the minds of audience who come across it to know more about what the film will convey. My message to the emerging filmmakers is that always believe in your story that you would like to show to your audience. Keep entertaining the world with your creative talent and don't forget to enjoy the wonderful journey of filmmaking in the process. If you liked my film Break or Make and would want to contact me, my email ID is khansmita@gmail.com. It is also flashing on the screen. Thank you for watching my film Break or Make. If you have any feedback or views on my film, please send me an email. I will love to hear from you. Finally, once again, I would like to thank Seven Continents International Film Festival 2025, all jury members, management team, and Mini Box Office for shortlisting my film Break or Make. And also to all the filmmakers whose films are getting recognized on this platform. It's a huge motivation for all newcomers like me who are being recognized by such a renowned film festival. I wish the best to all the new creative filmmakers who are participating in this prestigious film festival for their success, and may they keep contributing in the entertainment industry. Thank you and have a great time in the fest.